Hey guys, how it is going? It is me. Today I'm going to teach you a very easy, simple, and nonchalant question of mathematics, mainly from probability. So this question derives from mathematics of NCERT of class 10th and any other board that follows NCERT or if CBSE board in general. So I'll give you a little bit of moment to just have a glance at this question. You probably might have just read it and even answered. Some of you might have answered by now. So what's the question here? So is asking what is the probability of having at least one girl in a family of 3 children. Remember, the one girl thing here, at least one girl, at least one girl. This phrase is very important. This is going to be the crux of the question. So we have options here: A, 1 over 8, B, 7 over 8, C, 5 over 8, and D, 3 over 8. If you asked me before, right, if you would have asked me before, I would have said option A is correct before because it seems like there's a right answer. There's one above, and we are we need to answer the probability with having at least one girl. But that's actually not true, right? So what is the thing here? So whenever you have this kind of question, I would like you to do something called power set of a set having elements with n numbers. So what is that? That is just going to be 2 to the power n. The number of elements in the power set of S is equal to 2 to the power n. And what is n? N is just the number of elements in the sample space. What is sample space? Well, that is just a set of different elements possible. What are the different elements here? Boy, girl, and anything in general. It could be boy, it could be girl. Well, not actually. It's just B over G, B slash G, B slash G, B slash G. So it's any three of them possible. They have 3 different slots. Those three slots is n. So if you have 3, just put 2 to the power 3, which is 8. So the total possible combinations is 8. But one of them is going to be B, comma B, comma B, which we can also count as phi. So we're going to have we are going to ignore this thing and going to minus 1 for the total combination, which is 7. That is going to be our possible combinations in this particular situation. That's going over the bar, that is the numerator. It's going to be 7 over the total combinations, which is 8. So that is 8. So the probability is 7 over 8, which is the B option, which is the correct option. What I want you to do, if we have any kind of question that resembles this, you would have the total number of elements. Use this formula, put the total number of elements, and whatever value you get, that's going to be your denominator, and the numerator is going to be 1 minus this number. All right, it's going to be 1 minus this number. And remember, this might not actually work, this 2n minus 1 property. You need to figure it out with a little bit of thinking and intuition, but the denominator is always to the power n. So that is it. The answer is 7 out of 8. And you can do any kind of question with this easy trick. Bye-bye.